Hello and welcome back to AdMobilize. In this video, we will show you how to get the data from the dashboard and export it in different formats. All the data from the dashboard is aggregated, which means that it is grouped and summarized according to your settings. But if you want to check the raw data, which is the original and unprocessed data, you can use our API that provides this data, but we will explain more about our API at the end of this video. Now, let's see how to generate the reports from the dashboard. On the Analytics page, you can see a button next to the gear icon that says Generate Report. This button has three options: Quick CSV, Custom CSV, and Quick PDF. The Quick CSV option will generate a quick CSV file for your data with the date range and the data aggregation based on the Analytics page selection. When you click on this option, you will see a window with a summary of what is going to be sent. You can see the date range, the number of selected devices, the time zone, and the email file to put the email address where you want to send this report. After you confirm that all is correct, click on the Send Report and wait for your report to arrive in your email. The Quick PDF option will generate a PDF file with the charts showing on your Analytics page. When you click on this option, you will see a window with a preview of what your report will look like. After you confirm your report, click on Save PDF and save your report on your device. Now, the Custom CSV option will offer many more options for customizing your report. When you click on this option, you will see a window that will guide you through different steps to create your report. The first step is to select the date range, the time zone, the interval, and the grouping of your data. The second step is to select which columns you want to include in your report. You can see a list of all available columns from your data and check or uncheck them as you wish. The third step is to generate and send your report. You can see a summary of all your report configuration and enter an email address where you want to send your report. You can also create a recurrent report that will be sent automatically at regular intervals. To do this, you need to go back to the first step and select the frequency of your report. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly options. Then follow the same steps as before and click on Send Report Recurrently instead of Send Report. You can manage all of your recurrent reports by clicking on the left menu on the gear icon and then on the Reports button. On this page, you will see a list of all your recurrent reports that you have created. For each recurrent report, you can see some information such as the name of the report, which is the name of the report that can be changed by you, the status of the report, which shows whether the report is active or paused, the frequency of the report, which shows how often the report is sent to your email, the last sent date, which shows when the report was last sent to your email, and the file expiration date, which shows when the link to download the report will expire. You can also perform some actions hovering on your recurrent reports, such as pause or resume the report, which allows you to stop or start sending the report to your email, delete the report, which allows you to remove the report from your list and stop sending it to your email, and download the last generated report. To edit a report, you need to click on the report name and a panel will open with all the settings of your report. You can change the name, interval, grouping, frequency, time zone, and the email that will receive the report. This is how you can manage the recurrent reports from our dashboard and control how you receive your data. Now, if you want to get the raw data, you can access the AdMobilize documentation website, documentation.admobilize.com, and go to the AdMobilize Utilities section. There, you can click on the API option and then click on Data API, and you'll have all the details you need to configure the device. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos from AdMobilize.